Management reports and audit in cost accounting. Management reports and audit. So we'll first take a look at what is cost audit. The main purpose of a cost audit is to make sure whether the cost accounting plan has been followed and strictly adhered to, as well as the methods laid down for ascertaining cost and other decisions are properly implemented. The classifications of a cost audit may be for protective purposes, which would mean there is no wastage or loss. It could also be for constructive purposes, where the cost auditor takes up the role of a constructive personnel by providing management of the company with information regarding economical methods of operations, reducing operational costs, regulating production, and reformulating plans during the course of a cost audit. There remains the following types of cost audits, namely assistance to management, where management is provided with accurate, prompt and relevant information for taking management decisions. Next, it's information to government. That's also one type of cost audit, where audit is done on behalf of the government for correct costs used in the accounting process and to ascertain the correct cost of contract, etc. Next one is trade associations, where cost audit is conducted so as to know comparable profitability of its members, etc. And finally, it's done on behalf of customers, where customers have agreed to pay price on a cost plus basis and hence has to get the account audited. Whereas cost audit is explained, a statutory audit is an audit conducted in accordance with the provisions of a statute or act laid down by the government. Without any hesitation, one has to be sure that an audit is compulsory for concerns and establishments, which comes under the purview of Section 233B of the Companies Act 1956. So that covers cost audit. And we'll now take a look at what is management reports. Furnishing management reports in cost accounting has the following objects, namely providing information for cost control, providing information for devising planning, for coordinating business activities, and for measuring executive performance, etc. Every business unit must develop its integrated information system so that management remains appraised at regular intervals in regard to cost, finance, and similar aspects. This information that the management requires for and chiefly are planning, organizing, decision making, and controlling, when codified in a system, is called the management information system. While preparing and submitting management reports, the cost accountant must keep in mind that the following requisites should be followed. Namely, promptness should be there in the report. Report should be formed out of proper form and content. Report should be accurate. It should be simple. Cost considerations should be followed throughout the report. And lastly, effective communication should be there in the report as a result. So this completes what is management reports and what all things have to be there in the management reports for cost audit purposes. Thank you.